Hello guys, this is Musan AR from Signbox software, and in this lesson we will cover how to get input from a keyboard. As we have already covered to print something to the console. Now this part is for taking input from a console. Basically console is not used these days, as everybody wants a graphical UI, but this is our basic level, so we will start with the console. uh, uh, there are some other ways to get input on a console, but we will use buffer reader or buffered reader class. Don't worry about class, it's just example for you to get input. We will learn more about classes in Java later. So come to the example, and what will I do in this example? We will get two inputs from a keyboard as an integer and multiply them to get result. So we will go and create a new class called name it to get input from console.java. So this is our class. So guys, this is our example, and in this example there are few points which you people don't know, just because we have not clear, or we have not completed these points, as these points are related to the object oriented programming or object oriented advanced level. So for getting input from keyboard, so we have to do these things. There are some other ways. From those ways we can get input from a keyboard, but in this level I am just getting or using these things to get input from a keyboard. And this is just import statement. This will import classes from outside of a package to this class, and this is our class buffer reader, and it is just reference variable, creating a new object of a buffer reader class and passing object of input stream reader, and this is for getting input from a keyboard. And when I get input from a keyboard, before that it will show it will display on the console the enter value 1, and br is a reference of buffer reader class, and this is the method of a buffer reader class. This method will take input from a keyboard, and that input will always be in a string form. String is a basically class in the Java, and this is a variable where we are assigning a value which we are getting from a keyboard to assign to value 1, and the same way we are doing this here. And this is a parser. This is the integer class. We are parsing the string which we have already get from the keyboard. uh, and this string will pass into the integer, and the same way we are passing value 2 to value 2 string to the integer. And now these both variables are in the form of an integer, and we are here in this statement we are multiplying the parse variables value, and the result. Let me compile this program java c, and name of the class get input from a Java console, and here we go, and the compiles fine. It is asking for value 1. This is here where enter value 1, and this read line method will wait for user to type input from the keyboard. When I type the input from the keyboard, let's say, oh sorry, click on it, let's say 12, so I have to hit enter key to get get a message of enter value 2, and let's suppose the value is 2. Now when I press enter again, it will show me the result. So here we go, result of values is 24. So when you multiply 12 with the 2, so the result is a 24. So guys, this was example to get input from a keyboard, and this is very simple example. You people don't worry about the classes, and this is also a throws exception. This is a part of exception handling in a Java. We will discuss all these topics in later in this tutorials. So guys, this was a basic example, and hope you like this example. If you like this example, press on like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe it, and also press on a bell icon so that you will get a notification of my videos. Thank you guys.